Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas Reward credit card return protection benefits. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can log into your Atlas account on the mobile app. That's the Atlas mobile app, or you could choose to log in on the website. So once you're logged into your account using your username and password, go ahead and select the credit card account that you want to use the return protection benefits for from the account dashboard. Go ahead and select the credit card account. Next, you're going to click on return protection and review the benefits details. And once that's fully reviewed, go ahead and contact the return protection provider to file a claim or request assistance. Now in that, you're going to need to provide documentations to support the claim, such as receipts or proof of purchase. Now once that's done, you're going to receive reimbursement or assistance for eligible returns. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas Reward credit card return protection benefits. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.